A school official is facing backlash this morning for what he retweeted after Donald Trump's presidential win.
So on Wednesday, the Baltimore County School Superintendent Dallas Dance retweeted a tweet that urged teachers to show non-white students some love. Here's a look. It's from a former Montgomery County superintendent. It says, educators, please show your Muslim, Black, Latino, Jewish, disabled, or just non-white students that you love them and will protect them. We reached out to Superintendent Dance for comment. In a statement, he wrote that he is focused on equality and making sure that all students feel welcome and supported, and goes on to say that comments made during the election disenfranchised, he says, several groups of students. Delegate Joe Klooster, a Republican from Baltimore County, tweeted a response saying he would be asking for Dallas Dance's resignation.